the most commonly misdiagnosed issue in an auto repair shop. And I guarantee your shop's done it too. That's right, the most commonly misdiagnosed issue is always the module. The engine control module, the transmission control module, the body control module. If you knew how many shops, how many technicians, how many automobile owners I have spoken to that have expressed frustration in the fact that another shop, or even their shop, had replaced a part that did not fix the client's concern. And often we hear that it is an engine control module, a transmission control module. If you knew how many consumers come to my shop and say, I just need a price on the engine control module, that's why my car's not running. Okay? How did you come to that conclusion? And oftentimes you find that no actual testing was done to determine the cause of the fault. Or if it was, the proper testing wasn't performed. I see it every single day. And oftentimes, consumers will fall victim to this type of misdiagnosis because the shop sounds confident. The shop sounds like they know what they're doing. The reality is, it's very, very rarely a control module. It's usually a wire. It's usually a sensor, one of the components that sends the data back to the engine control module. Do engine control modules fail? Yes, they do. But there is a whole generation of automotive technicians who just love to claim an engine control module, a transmission control module, without doing the needed testing. And look, that leads me to my next point. Testing in an automotive repair shop is the most valuable service they offer. Now, most consumers hate paying for it. They don't see the value in it. They don't understand why they have to pay this money. By God, doesn't it just give us a diagnostic trouble code? Can't I just go replace the part from that? That is sheer ignorance. Diagnostic trouble codes do not fix automobiles. They don't do it. And they won't ever do it. Hate to tell you. They give us a direction, very much like a zip code won't get you to the mailbox. They give us direction, but they do not give us the answer, especially on something like an engine control module, a transmission control module. So if your auto repair shop is quick to call an engine control module faulty, and within just a few hours they come back to you and tell you that's the problem, my suggestion to you is ask them what testing was done. How can you prove to me this module is faulty? And if all they can tell you is it had this list of codes in it, you might go get a second opinion. And if that second opinion isn't charging you for testing, it means they don't value testing. It means they've not invested in the equipment, the tooling, and the technicians. They've not invested in the training for the technicians to be able to properly diagnose the issue. But that's just my opinion. Have you ever had a shop miscall an issue? Drop it down into the comments below. I'd love to hear your story.